Robin, I'm so excited. Our new and never-ending do-it-yourself book nook just arrived.
I'm so excited. Let's build it.
Yay! Okay, so let's take a look and see what's inside the box. This is what it is going to look like when I have finished creating it. Lots of instructions, which is great. And then it's all, that's for the light. And then it's all packaged together. It looks really beautifully packaged. And then some papers here, I think just shows the different designs. So let's go ahead and open this as well. Okay, so I just took the wrap off. Oh, I have to say it smells amazing. Fresh wood. So yeah, this is gonna be really fun to make, and I see all the pieces are numbered, so that's good. It's supposed to take about 4 to 6 hours, so. Okay, let's get to work. This has been really fun. My daughter really enjoys doing puzzles as well, and this has been kind of like putting a puzzle together for her. The parts were very easy. They just pop right out, and then you just use some glue, some silicone glue that we got from the store, and then it goes together so easily. Everything's just numbered and lettered, and it makes it so easy to put together. And I really enjoyed it because it gave us both something to do together. It was mother-daughter time. We definitely did some bonding, and it's been really fun to just find an activity that her and I could do together again, because we don't always get to do it. So it was really fun doing this, and we've really enjoyed it. And I think it's a great gift idea for anyone. I'll probably get one of these for my brother as well. So yeah, it was amazing. We had a lot of fun building this together. It was actually pretty easy.
And it gave us something to do together. It was just something nice to do in our free time.